Hi family, welcome to a haunted house. I'm Star, and on this channel I make content to empower others to pursue holistic wealth, the real estate, finance, and at-home inspiration. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to this channel below and give this video a like if you find it helpful. Today we are planting flower beds at my 1920s rental. It's almost complete. We've laid some mulch and some pea gravel in the front yard, and we're going to add some color to the landscape by adding some shrubbery and some florals as well. So I want to show you guys how we do it, and yeah, I hope you like it. So yesterday we actually went to Home Depot to pick up some flowers and plants.
Maybe they just out the blooming season.
I asked David to choose the flowers that we would plant, so he was super proud of that. Here we're just setting everything up in the store to make sure it looks good together before purchasing it and taking it home. Here's what the flower beds look like before we planted everything. Again, we have freshly gotten the yard mulched and graveled, so now we're just adding some life and some color to it. Like we did in the store, I'm just setting out the plants the way that I want them to make sure that it looks good before we start planting them into the ground. And so we are just arranging them, looking at them to make sure that everything is symmetrical and everything looks nice together. I wanted to make sure that we got plants at varying heights to add dimension to the flower beds. We could start at the tallest and then go down to the shortest, not just the heights that they are now, but you can also look at the tags that come with the plants to see what height they actually grow to if they are taken care of, and making sure that even when they grow higher that they still have varying heights between them. My mom and my little sister came to help us with this project. As you may know, my mom has the greenest thumb, so she was a huge help, and she works really fast. This actually was a pretty quick project, and it was pretty easy. So if you are wanting to do some landscaping in your own yard, if you want to just plant a few things, it's definitely not hard at all.
Got her in there.
I'll also mention here that the reason that we have used mulch and pea gravel for landscaping is because we have two huge, very old oak trees in the front yard that will not allow grass to grow here. The roots are everywhere and they don't provide a ton of light for grass to grow, and they also compete grass for nutrients as well. We've tried that in the past. So mulch is great for the trees. It helps give the trees nutrients, and the gravel just is good to cover the ground and stop weeds from growing as well. That is why it's not very common in my area. I live in Georgia. There's a ton of greenery everywhere. This type of landscaping is more common in somewhere like Arizona where grass doesn't grow, but it was the proper landscaping option for this particular yard. We thought this was the time to give the front porch and the driveway a good clean. David is sweeping away all the debris. We have a ton of huge trees around the house, so of course we get a lot of dirt and debris from that, as well as the fact that the house has been under renovation, and so there's just traffic from people and contractors walking in and out and moving things in and out of the house. So we just thought this was the perfect time to clean all of that away as we are wrapping up this project. And this is how it turns out. I really like how the exterior of this home was transformed. It definitely added some serious curb appeal. We have people stopping by the house all the time to ask if it's available for rent or for sale. I love it. The neighborhood, the neighbors love it. and I'm just happy with how it turned out. I can't wait to see how all of the plants grow after they have some time to get acclimated to the ground. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Also, stay tuned for the renovated house tour. I'll walk you guys through the whole renovation and how it turned out. And until next time, love, Star.